Hello friends, I am Kajal Jha, lecturer in a Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology. Subject is Digital Electronics and Microcontroller Application, DEM. Subject codes 22421. Today's practical is practical number 2. Build the logic circuit on a breadboard to check the De Morgan's theorem. Okay, so first De Morgan's theorem. There are two theorems of the De Morgan's. So De Morgan's first theorem is, it states that the complement of the product of the variable is equal to the sum of complements of individuals variable. That is nothing but A dot B whole bar is equal to A bar plus B bar. So this is nothing but the NAND gate is equal to the bubbled OR gate. Second, this is the symbolic representation for the NAND gate. Okay, there are two inputs A, B, and output will be A dot B whole bar. Then bubbled OR gate is, here we use the NOT gate, okay, after A and B, and then it is combined with the OR gate. Then De Morgan's second theorem, it states that the complement of the sum of variables is equal to the product of complements of individual variables. That is A plus B whole bar is equal to A bar dot B bar. So NOR gate is equal to bubbled AND gate. This is nothing but the representation for the NOR gate and bubbled AND gate. This is the circuit diagram for the implementation of the De Morgan's first law. This is the NAND gate. The IC we use here, that is 7400, and there are two inputs, that is we connect inputs number 1 and 2 and give the output to the output to the pin number 3. Here we observe the output by using the LED. After that, for bubbled OR gate, we use this diagram. Okay, here we use two NOT gates. The IC number for a NOT gate is 7404. Okay, so first terminal is taken as an input, and second terminal is taken as an output, and it is connected to the OR gate, that is nothing but 7432. Okay, you can use any of the IC from that, any of the OR gate from this. Okay, so we use here this. After that, third number pin, that is input number B, and then fourth pin is connected to the output, that is nothing but it is become an input of the OR gate. Now we do the actual practical. Here this is nothing but the NOR gate IC, this is nothing but the NAND gate IC, that is 7400. Here 14 pin is VCC and 7 pin is ground, so we do the connections for VCC and ground. After that, we use the power supply for that. Okay, after that, first and second pin used as an input pin, and on a third pin we connect the LED for a output purpose. This is the LHS side. After that, here we use the second breadboard for the bubbled OR gate. Here we use two ICs, that is 7404 and 7432. Okay, this is nothing but the NOT IC and this is OR IC. Here two VCCs 1414 and 77 is ground. After that, we use here two inputs. Okay, so pin number 1, okay, NOT gate, pin number 1 is used as an input and pin number 2 used as an output, and it is given to the OR IC first pin. Okay, after that, third pin is taken as an input and output number 4 is given to the second pin of the OR gate, and from OR gate pin number 3 is connected nothing but with a LED, that is nothing but the output. Now we switch on the power supply and set to 32. This is 1, 3. Now we connect to the input, that is 00. First combination is 00. You see here the LED will blink. Okay. For a second, here we connect the input pins to ground, that is 0 0 combination. You see here, that is both the LEDs are glow for a 0 0 combination. Okay, now we check for the second input. Now we check for the second input. If you see here, the first input is ground and second input is on VCC, that is nothing but the combination is 0 1. Okay, the LED will glow. After that, if you check the bubbled OR gate, then here VCC, one input is ground and one input at the VCC. So both for this input the LED will glow. Okay, now we check for the 1 1 combination. Now Now for the last combination, that is 1 1. So we connect both the inputs to the VCC. If you see here, the LED will in off condition. Okay, so LED is in off condition. For a second breadboard, that is bubbled OR gate, we connect both the inputs to the VCC, then LED is in off condition. So we verify the truth table of the De Morgan's first theorem. That is, observation is there are two inputs A and B. So for combination 0 0, A dot B whole bar is equal to 1 and A bar plus B bar is also 1. Okay, after that second combination is 0 1, that is one input is ground and another input is VCC. Then we get the output, that is 1 and 1. After that 1 and 0 combination, we get A dot B bar B whole bar is 1 and A bar plus B bar is 1. After that we check for the both the inputs are at VCC position, that is nothing but 1 1. So we get the output of, that is nothing but LED, both the LEDs in off condition. So we get the output as a 0 0. Thus we verify the De Morgan's first theorem using the practical setup. Thank you.